Hey beauties, welcome back to today's video. For those of you that don't know me, hello. My name is Fabiola and I love creating all kinds of pink, beauty, fashion, and decor videos. If that's something you like and are into, then girl, you're at the right place. Go ahead, click the subscribe button down below, push the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram. So as you can see from today's title, today we're going to be trying out and reviewing shoes from Cosy Island. I am so excited. I have tried their shoes in the past and all I can say is that they're the most comfortable shoes I have ever tried. I picked up 2 pairs of shoes. I got a pair of boots and a pair of heels. So all their shoes are known to be the most comfortable shoes. They are stylish yet very comfortable. They're also made out of sustainable material. They are waterproof, which is a huge plus. They do have multiple different prints, they have different styles, they have different types of heels, and I am just very excited to share these shoes with you, especially now for the holiday season. These shoes make great gift, or they can literally elevate your outfit for the holiday season. They also have a huge sale going on right now, so I will link all the details down below so you can go ahead and check them out. But we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing, and then I will be styling them with a couple different outfits. So here's the first pair. These are called the Grace Leith Pointed Heel Toe Mules. This is what the box looks like. It is so pretty, very, very stylish. It says Cosy Island right in the front. When you open them, they do come wrapped so beautiful with a tissue wrap that says Cosy Island. I decided to choose a color that is so trendy. And when I saw it on their website, I fell in love with it.
Imagine if your heels felt as good as they look. These are the perfect high heels. Not only are they beautiful and stylish, but they're one of the most comfortable high heels I have ever tried. These heels are crafted with Airwick fabric technology. It's a stretchy, soft, and breathable material for all-day freshness. They're water resistant and have a flared heel base to help reduce pressure with every step you take. They have a built-in arch support and contoured cushioning and anti-slip soles. You'll feel effortlessly stylish and very comfortable and confident in any setting with these heels.
Let me take the other one out. I am so impressed with the quality of these shoes. If you're looking for comfortable yet stylish shoes, I highly recommend you check out Cosy Island. They have the most beautiful shoes for all occasions. The heel right here is in that perfect height. It's perfect for anything. And the sole right here is just so comfortable. It's literally like very cushiony. These are definitely giving me princess vibes. That's how I would describe these shoes, like princess shoes. So I'm going to style these with a couple outfits so that way you can see how cute these shoes look with the outfits. Next, we have a pair of boots. Also, they come in that beautiful same box with the same gorgeous packaging. These here are called the Boyage minimalistic pointed toe heeled long boots. They do have these in the short version, which are like booties, which I absolutely love. I actually have a pair of those from a couple years ago in black, and oh my goodness, they are adorable. Let's see if you can guess what color I got these in. Ta-da! I got these in this gorgeous color as well. Like I said, this color, it is trending. It is hot this year. I am obsessed. Can we just take a minute to like look at this? It has the kitten heel, which I'm a huge fan of. I mean, I do love heels, don't get me wrong, but when it comes to kitten heels, those are my favorite. Although all their shoes are very comfortable no matter the size of the heel. But I did choose this one here and I love the material on this. So this here is almost kind of like a sock type of material. It's a very thick sock and it stretches. So no matter the size, this kind of just molds and fits like a glove. It's almost kind of like you're slipping your feet into a sock. So it fits perfectly.
If you love the look of high heel boots but hate the pain, these are the perfect boots for you. Slip into these gorgeous high heel boots that are designed for walking, and they deliver all-day comfort with every step. They are water resistant and are made with airweave fabric technology to keep your feet cool. And the classic knit ribbed collar adapts to any leg shape for a perfect, comfortable fit.
You can definitely style these in so many different styles and so many ways. I am so excited with these beautiful boots.
Waiting for you. To take me to you.
I also received this beautiful giftable box with a silky eye mask and a silky hair scrunchie. This is a free set that comes included when you buy 3 pairs or more, and right now they have this amazing promotion going on, so make sure you check out their website.
So those were the 2 pairs of shoes that I got from Cozy Island. If you're tired of wearing shoes that are very uncomfortable, I suggest you check out Cozy Island. They do have the most beautiful and stylish shoes. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I'll leave you the links to both of the shoes down below. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
Waiting for you.